Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is RP. Now today we'll talk about another acidic alliance that look like it's falling apart. We talk about the Augustone link, so if Nigel was around, you'd hear all about it. Rest in peace, Nigel. But Nigel not there, so I go try my best, right, to fill in some of the blank space that enough people have as it relates to Augustone and the various criminal organizations operating it. Now, you'd have heard the name Dave. Talk about Ninja and Dave. Both names have become synonymous right now with the death and destruction of one that part of Iron Man. You know, foreign life, big money, buy up the guns them. Tell us Zaba, him are really the main person. Upon the ground, Ninja and Dave, them a fund it. Dave end up buck up and somebody 87 them what him claim say. Right, after he mute them. And the man then tell him, if you go stuck him, mama. Never tell him about it. Also, I go talk about one of the next individual that played a major role in Nigel's demise. Which is then called Glasses Man. Him from Grandspin must know him. When Nigel lady was posting and bragging about it. Well, him and the same Augustone, right now. Him under pressure cause him and him fall out. All these acidic links end up disintegrate. Before we go into that, I have a Patreon birthday shout out. Two of them. First one goes out to J Balance. To their birthday. J Balance let me know say him and the family, him and wifey Alti and the kids them gonna have a good time. Enjoying themselves to the max scene. J Balance I don't know. That's the reason. Show more go on. I can only tell you. I always tell the people them. Right. Give thanks for another year. Give thanks for another day. Right. Have fun. But keep your head on a swivel. See? Big up yourself, J Balance. Big up the whole family. Next up we have Ray CB. Right. AKA Mr. Quiet Storm. You know. Ray CB, one of them Patreon members there. Right. Well, you don't really hear much from him. Every now and then him check in, look YouTube or go and big up yourself. Right. See, some people don't really comment and some don't really play an active role in enough of discussions, but them always there, they always a watch, always a tune in. So Ray CB, big up yourself. More live scene. You and J Balance. Our birthday bros. Right. We got the Patreon squad. So the Augustone link, like that's been to apparently. Might I wonder what I go on? When you know say Ninja and Dave them the chance them get. Especially Dave, you know him love the video light, love the spotlight, love the attention. I tell you, the security forces long time said 87s. Not just 87s, but all of the quote unquote, Dan, them and whoever and your favorite criminals them love video light. And you can use that to your advantage. You see, if you're living in the criminal underworld, the thing you should fear the most is video light. But Iron Man, right, quote unquote, bad man them love video light. I'm gonna tell the security force so you can use that to your advantage because in some cultures, when certain people involved in a certain thing, see, right, themselves get put out certain ways, right, them immediately, right, know so the end that come. But Iron Man 87 and fool. Right, them now start to soak up the attention. They're like, yes, this is good. And then they realize the clock is ticking. You can use it to your advantage. Dave, one of them people, them love the video light. See, normally Dave, they far from the acidity now, as in the actual 87s them and the shootings them. Because I say, you know, uncle some place, live the good life, rich kid. But then, Dave drop a Iron Man when Dave party and was Dave, Ninja and Dave them responsible for the found a favorite little spot someone hang out in Iron Man, they don't know Sans and them party, they know say them spend the money behind it. You might not see them as a face site, but them spend the money. So them always up in the, that is how the link come about with that artist. The one that sell 100 copies already. Him. That is why you notice certain parties that keep him always dead. And when time they keep him theme party, are the same people them dead. One link. One acidic link. They fly down for party. Live like him a done, chest push out. Be a 87 night place, be a killy. But they've miscalculated just how licky the 87 is. Every minute the man them a tap Dave's shoulder. Yo, more liquor my boss. More this my boss. Send cross one other one of this my boss. Look like Dave's pocket was hurting him. Cause Dave go make a speech to get back to the man them. Dave go make a speech like him and say, man them licky every minute they want sitting like them a girl. You can't make this up, the man them made cheap. Word get back to the man them. Say Dave style him. All Max stuff you make Dave know. Say yo, you this the killy them. What you mean? A them man you make the little strength where you have a them man you make this happen. Members are the killy them this and members say this and members say that. The man tell Dave you go suck your mama in your face. Now you ask yourself the question, but Dave no quote unquote done. Dave them done cheap and money thing, you know. So them buy gun and them send money to do this and but them that dip on the ground, right? So Dave no they roll on August town with the killy them. So even though they hear say man one of the quote unquote top man, and then they really check for him like that. Right? And one thing people tell about badness. See them killy there, right? They may kill for you. But if you don't know what you do, they may kill you. And we must say Dave no really be like that. Them you they actually are demons. Dave a pretend to be demon. So in go this quote unquote this demand them. But me tell them a long time to 87s, right? Them cost more than woman, you know. I want somebody do this test in the Iron Man. Smart me if you do this test, this case study. Roll out with 5 girl. Go on party and then roll out with 5 quote unquote killy. 5 quote unquote gunman. And then check your bill when night time come for 2 different night them and you're gonna see the 87 then cost more. Feed them belly can't full. There is no amount of liquor, right? We're good enough for them. And a top shelf alone them. You see, enough girl, must say enough woman, especially when time things, you know, fresh, she might know and make you feel like she beggy. So you're gonna ask her what you want and she gonna ask, just buy a little Smirnoff Ice. Or just give me a little, no, it's not one drink. Give me a little, you know, what they call this in there? Little fruity drink, the little alcohol night. Right? Something like that. The man them, Hennessy, Moet, right? Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, them want everything. Top shelf alone them want. So the man pressure Dave pocket and Dave I say, yo, man, why man wants so much. Man tell Dave go suck your mama right in that party. Dave get nervous because I said Dave no really, let me say, about that. It's easier in the America and can make 2 calls and send 2 messages. But now you must see badness in front of him. Now you must see how ugly badness is. Now you must see how dark the killy them can get. Now must say the same man they made a call for forgot this somebody at them man they mad this now. No. So we might call pan. Then can't do nothing himself. And must say the man they most respect to Ninja than Dave, you know, because a Ninja is really the link between the all of them, you know. But then Dave get bringing now because the money I spend on man, so my friend with Ninja and all kind of things. So Dave quote unquote ratings tied most to Ninja. So the man never have no hesitation to tell Dave to go suck him, mama. Take up badness cause of clout. Cause of clout. This is Dave paying screen. Look at his look on him little purse. Look on him little purse. See at that day man they say I run place. You know? Look on the size of the bag. Look on the size of the strap on the bag. Cause me know gonna tell me say yo, I just you can't afford them money things. Them money bag cost about $10,000. Me ask every woman that around me. What kind of bag this? What do them say is a purse that? That's a purse, youth. No bag we make for man can't have no strap a little bit so. And when time Mr. Woman I roll out, Mr. roll out this one little bag where the strap fine. The bag are the way the strap fine, it had a draw one line at the shoulder. At that, the quote unquote, done a par with, you know. No bag will make for man can have them thin strap there. It's a purse that. So that's Dave on your screen looking like Dave here. Coming on. See, these fashion houses have figured out how to milk money from these tutti frutti niggas, you know. Them figure out what, you know. Them figures, so all them have to do is get one big artist, right, figure it as strength, and then charge $10,000 feet, and then the combination of the strength and the price are gonna make you now feel say you're now elite by getting one of them, yeah, and then going around flexing. It's somebody to tell me say, quote unquote men would be stunting with woman bag in my lifetime. They never believe it, you know. I'm going to come see it. Dave, send back the bag them on you. Dave, give back the woman in them bag. Dave, give back the woman them bag. Woman can't have nothing anymore. You know notice? Ladies, you know notice? Remember the Birkin bag and them sitting there? Everything was woman one time, you know. And the man them just made the woman them have them things, you know. The man them refuse. These modern day males refuse to make the woman them have nothing, you know. They left the woman them with them purse, Dave. Me know bag where man walk with messenger bag and chest bag and them sitting there. And I saw it look. Dave, give back the woman them purse. Me not trust none of the than them. No, name your Dan, me not trust him. Them shaky. Some of the stories I hear about them, it's just something that's not right, brother. Something not right and nobody can explain it to me. Who responsible for them, quote unquote, Daniel? Dave, I demand you hand back that bag to the woman. If I this not try bringing a style, end it from now. And the European brands that own these companies, you sure know how to milk these dummies. From the big red boot to the person we clearly make for woman, we sure know how to milk these dummies. Look on the post the man striking them, you can't tell me say them youth are. I know some of the most effeminate group of man I walk on earth. The man them only claim say a bad man and run off this and lock off this and power the most killy. Every mannerism about them, everything about them. Effeminate. As a matter of fact, one of the reasons why they're so quick to kill you is because they're more emotionally unstable than a pregnant woman. At least a pregnant woman have the excuse that her hormones are all over the place. Biology said that so. What's your excuse? Oh, I know it's modern times and you're a dinosaur, look at YouTuber. Alright, maybe a dinosaur, but me no want a person still. See, everything them justify with price, you know. So they matter about, yo, DH, you can't buy it. Buy it, me no want it for free. Dave, give back the woman in them purse. And then when I go send, go call man and box up man and claim him run off place and you have to go just accept box up. Not on my watch. Imagine getting boxed up by somebody where we run purse. What you have in that purse? Then lipstick, the mascara, Dave, what you have in that bag? As for glasses, man. He was the one where they tell Nigel say man kill him. Man. And they tell Nigel say man go pay money for man kill them. All of this is known by the security forces. All this was known by the people who them claim said they will get justice to Nigel. When Nigel did lose his life, him see him one start post all kind of thing and brag about all kind of thing. See it up on your screen. That's a small piece of the conversation where Glasses man write in a little quote unquote group. Send one of them little messages. Everything with them post message. I'm telling them the favorite quote unquote than them on the favorite quote unquote artist them. Every time when I post nothing, every time when I plan something, just know somebody did a plan too. Every time when I organize something, you know the organization. This same Glasses man, him did a brag say them get Obama. I don't know if you remember Obama from Grand Spin. And when time the madness that go on, Grand Spin, the Markans laying on them place there. When I tell him Glasses man, they run it from Grand Spin. Link with the August Stone man. Team up and get out, man, and start feel confident again. Well, the same Glasses and the same August man they follow now. Yes, the classes are all max. Classes are max for all out. But you see the Augustone link, Zarban them man. Now for the little local squad them were supposed to be going after them. On a Friday evening, you might catch them in a bar, sit down with them. You might catch them on a spot and chill with them. Glasses man, well, he's no longer in the link. So now the Glasses man and them fall out. And now Glasses man, I look over him shoulder because he might expect something to happen to him. From the same people them who was him quote unquote friend, the same people them who him team up with and get out of jail. No rest for the wicked as them say. But we'll see it play out. But all of these alliances, once it's rooted in acidity, it can't last. When you say man a link with man over here, so link with man over here, so just start check your watch and start counting on the time. They must start war each other. Bunch of acidic LIQs can't last. In an alliance, can't work. They have to start war each other. I'm keeping an eye on it. Dave, you bought the woman in them back youth. You think them wanna try normalize? Or you think they wanna try blur the line and talk about, oh, it's modern times, and how it's this and it's that. The line now blurry so. Give back the woman in them bag. Give back the woman in them bag, Dave. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. If you don't know more life, Walter squad, see you circling. Bless.